Hey, first grade. This is the science lesson that is a quick one. It's just going to introduce you to our new science chapter or unit. And we're going to be talking about living and non-living things. So I want to start out by saying God made plants on the third day of creation. And in chapter 3 in science, we're going to be learning all about plants. And we're going to start by discussing living versus non-living things. So, the definition of the word living is something that needs food, water, air, and space to live and grow. And when we see the word space here, we don't mean outer space. What we mean here is space is room. So living things are something that needs food, water, air, and space or room to live and grow. And we're going to compare it or contrast it with non-living. Okay? So non-living things are just the opposite. Something that does not need food, water, and air. Okay? So the question that we're going to be answering as we study this chapter is, how are living things different from non-living things? Living things must have food, water, air, and space or room. Living things grow and change. Non-living things do not. Okay? And I want to show you a picture. Okay? So look at this picture. It shows a park, and in this picture I see kids that are running. They're running on these little logs. I see a swing set, see a seesaw and a jungle gym, trees, some flowers and weeds and rock. So can you tell me, in this picture, what are some things you see, boys and girls, that are living? What are some things in this picture that are living? I'll give you a second to look. Okay, so the children, they're living. They need food, water, air, and space or room to grow. What else is living? Trees are living. What about the flowers and even the weeds? What about the grass? Is that living? Yes. Okay, so let's talk about things that are non-living, okay, in this picture. What do you see in this picture that is non-living? Swing set, the seesaw is not living, the jungle gym. What about the rock? Is this rock living or non-living? Non-living, right? It doesn't need food, it doesn't need water, air, or room to grow because it can't grow. Okay? Look at these little tree stumps that they're jumping on. Okay? These tree stumps, boys and girls, were once living. Okay? But now they're non-living. Okay? Because they're not going to continue to grow, are they? They were cut from something that was living. Okay? So, who made living things? God. And we've discussed how living things need food, water, air, and space or room to grow. Are you living? Yes, you and I are living. We need food and water and air and space, and we are growing and changing. Okay? Did God make only living things? No, so the things that do not have to have food, water, and air are called non-living. And non, boys and girls, when you hear non-living, that means not living. Do non-living things grow and change? No. Okay, but let's look at this rock again, okay, in this picture. Did God make rocks? Yes, he did. What are some other non-living things that God made? What about light and dirt and water and air? Okay, so God has made everything that people need in order to make other non-living things. Okay? So in this chapter, you're going to be reading about living and non-living things. Okay? You're going to look at plants and needs and what plants need. Okay? So I just wanted to post this quick video to kind of give you an introduction of what we're going to be learning. And we're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff with this chapter, especially once we get back to school. So I hope that you enjoy learning this week, and I can't wait to see you. Miss you.